Well, I guess this brings new meaning to love letters. Poor P. That was positively petty. Look, a beauty box. This should help you go from pauper to princess. Let's not start on an empty stomach. Ooh, is that fudge? Well, whatever it was, it's not helping your complexion. Come on, P, we gotta pop that pimple. Ugh, pus. And look at all those pustules. We need high tech, like this pimple vacuum cleaner. Suck out all that pus without dirtying your hands. Chocolate isn't so good for teeth either, even if it is delicious. Oh, don't cry. All you need is a good brush. Ooh, and electric one. Can't forget the toothpaste. Oh, I can taste the mint already. Hey, you don't need to move it. It does the work for you. We're almost done. And voila! Look at that smile. Are you okay? Uh-oh, it looks like you hurt your bottom. Next time, let's soften the fall with a little cushion. Just put on these push-up panties. Under your pants. You're not Superman. Now shake what your mama didn't give you. And show the other letters who's queen.
Oops.
See? Told you it would stick the landing. Unless you want to open a candle shop, why don't we ditch all that wax? Here's just what you need. An earwax remover. And you've got plenty of removing to do. I wonder where else this could help. Good idea. A clear nostril will help you breathe easy. Next, it's important to keep your mouth in good shape. I mean, between eating, talking, and kissing, your mouth does a lot. And speaking of eating, you've earned a nice treat. An ice treat. Now wash it all down. Sort of. And there's always room for chips. Always. Uh-oh. Talk about being tight-lipped. Don't worry. All you need's a little pumping up. And that's what our little vacuum pump does best. Much better. Daisy Duck's got nothing on you. That said, what's the fun in having lips without getting to decorate once in a while? And these swabs are the perfect paintbrushes. Break one end and let the color soak in. And let your lips be the perfect canvas. When Elle's around, there's always lots of love. And a lot of lush, luscious locks under your limbs. Of course, Elle also means lovely, lickable lollipops. And when it's this sticky, it can take care of all that excess hair. Well, we've got 2 armpits and 2 lollipops. Though I guess you could have just used the other side. Now for some rings on your fingers. Huh, maybe we should spruce up those hands first. Let's start with all that dead skin. This looks like a job for some wax. Take fresh wax and cook it up in this wax bath. Always pays off to buy candles in bulk. Soak those hands and let the wax dry. Peel it off, and your skin should feel brand new underneath. Now that your hand's so pretty, you might as well put a ring on it. Time for a mirror check. Oh no! Look at those eye bags! Either you need a serious power nap, or we could try this ice mold. Let's cut up some aloe. And add some water inside. For the next mold, let's try glitter. Don't forget, every ice pop needs a stick. Once it's frozen, apply the frozen aloe under your eyes. Wow, your face is like a clean slate. So now let's try out that glitter ice. But we're only half done. Now for the top half of your eyes. We'll need some pink to match your hair. Maybe we should try using stencils. Or even better, make a shape with tape. Just give your eyes some corners. And slather on that makeup. Take off the tape, and you're looking sharp. And your eyes match your glitter. Now let's comb that hair. Uh-oh. Well, it's okay. We don't need that comb anyway. We've got just the tool for this job. Just hook up your hair and run it through. Now it's time to start spinning. And enjoy your brand new do. Your makeover is almost complete. Let's just do something about those overalls. How about a whole new outfit? And some new accessories. It's time to show the world the new you. Starting with the other letters. L looks like he's in love. Sorry, boy, you blew it. But your friend J seems nice. Ah, P and J, they're almost a sandwich. Hey, F and N, play nice now, and be careful. Oh no! Oh! Oh! Poor O! Hey, I wouldn't laugh if I were you. O might just have friends in high places. Hey, this is a school. F's are for quizzes, not lockers. You know, I'm starting to think this locker's bigger on the inside. Wow, and there are some familiar faces here, too. Why, if it isn't D? Aren't you feeling a little crispy today? And if it isn't little Ms. Popular herself, P. Pretty soon, J here will feel right at home in Flatland. Let's smooth out V into a U. And maybe something special for K. Well, that was fun. Now it's time to start smashing. Wow, who knew aliens were so stretchy? Why don't we pound them up, just like mochi? Now we've got a batch of new slime to play with.
Wow.
Oh, don't worry. We can blow them back up, too. Hey, F, you got any chips to spare? This little dentist C toy can chew up the food for you. Or maybe he wants a snack. Looks like his eyes are bigger than his mouth. Sort of.
Ew.
Oh, you've got a little something in your teeth there. That's much better. Let's add some mouthwash. Now it's time for a good brushing. Good boy, see? You've earned yourself a little treat. You could eat that, or we could try out your new grinder. Something tells me that wasn't an orange. What else can we grind up? A sock? Why not? Orange and blue go great together. See? Wait, see? Well, see ya. What more colors do you want? Whatever it used to be, it's spaghetti now. When you're done with that spoon, take a dry erase marker. Draw on your favorite letter and add water. Pretty soon, it's gonna look like alphabet soup. Temp tattoos have never been easier. Oh, look, it's B. He's just in time to play with our new toy. Guess he can cancel that acupuncture appointment. Besides, it's time for your massage anyway. Gesundheit. So that's where you keep your slime. Here's an idea. Let's add some pop-it buttons. Lay them all in a row. Use the toy as a guide. Now start pushing down right into the slime. You know, they don't need to stay in order for too long. Looks like F is whipping up some gypsum. Oh, I guess we had a spare pop-it toy. T, feeling okay? You're looking kind of pale. Oh, now popping comes with a little crunch. I guess it's a one-time use deal. Good thing there's a lot of buttons. And look, some eggs! What do you think's inside? Wait a minute, that's no egg! It's got more layers than an onion! Shrek would be proud! Oh, now it's all clear. Like a crystal ball, but not for long. Wow, it's so magical, so mystical, so broken. What was inside it anyway? It's B again. Aw, aren't they cute? F, is everything okay in there? It's A. Did the other vowels ditch you? I always thought that Y was fickle.
Ew, yuck.
Ew, I'd ask, but we've seen where he's been.
Ew.
Don't worry, A. We can help clean you up. Let's start with your teeth. And now for the rest of you. We'll need another type of brush for this job. Yeah, really get into those pores, or whatever letters have. Maybe we should have used baby shampoo. Good thing Baby Yoda's here to help. Let's finish the job with a hot face mask. Maybe some new lashes? Of course, you're never fully dressed without a tiara. Yeah, I don't think that's your color either.
Ew.
Oh, you just had some wool up your nose. Might as well have some fun with that. What a seamstress. Now it's letter K. Something's missing. Let's give him a face while we're at it. Oh, they grow up so fast. Fly pretty fast, too. What's inside? A baked potato?
Ew.
What the? Well, at least we've got all this nice foil to play with. Guess there's no hard feelings toward the LMNOP gang. Those guys love a good makeover, but they usually do it Sailor Moon style. Look who's getting some big muscles, and he didn't even hit the gym. Time for the face. 2 eyes, 1 mouth. Let's add some dental implants while we're at it. Don't forget to add some tusks. Okay, maybe F does have a little grudge. Look, some toes, complete with nice sharp claws. For the finishing touch, devil horns. Or is he a minotaur? This little ball's fun to play with, as long as you're not made of sand. Don't worry, we can make a new one. Is it me, or is this starting to look like ice cream? You know, the best part of parfait is the kind you squish. E and F just seem to go together, don't they? Of course, E can sometimes be a hothead. Well, that's one way to blow out your candle. Careful now, you don't want too much wax on the cake. It's X with a surprise attack. But have we got a surprise for him? Our mini shredder. Of course, you can play with it. Wow, X makes for a cute little puzzle. Guess there was enough for 2 of him. Oh, so that's how you make lowercase letters. Want to go for another ride? There's no line. Wow, now there are 4 of him. He's multiplying, like bacteria. We could make more, or we could just cut them up by hand. Marshmallows? Good idea. We can make s'mores. Oh, look, it's pink. Still, you can't have s'mores without chocolate. Now all we need to do is add some heat. Much better. Nice and gooey. He is so sweet. She always looked just good enough to eat. And she always had such great taste. QRS-terrific stuff. Catch you next time.